Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the TVR series. In the last video, Jamie realised that this door, Jamie was trying to fit the door up and he realised that it didn't fit, and yeah, that's where we left the previous video. And since then, me and Jamie have sorted out the door. We think it should be alright. We test fitted it yesterday before we went home. We found a couple of issues. We've taken it off and I come in early and sorted them out. So we're gonna put the door back on now and see if it fits. If not, we'll have to take it back off. Alright, so yesterday me and Jamie we managed to get the rear seats and the inner tubs fiberglassed in, but now we've come to another problem. Like, somebody, probably me, has thrown away 2 panels that we cut out. So we'll need to make something up, which we'll show you. Jamie, lift up the car. We need more room in here, Jamie. So yeah, we've had to look for these sections here, but we can't find them. So we're gonna, be a lot easier to have them and put them back, and instead of making new ones. So we've got to make new ones, and we also got to tidy up all of that Frankenstein joints that we've done there. That all look neat and tidy once we're finished. What else do we need to do? What else do we need to do, Jamie? No, before that. And also these, we've got to get out. These are the inner tubs, so we need to find a way of connecting them to the body, and also I'm standing where the boot floor should be. So that's where we're at the moment. Loads of problems with no solutions. But I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gotta learn the consequence of it. We might need to cut this one off as well to move this one down. So what Jamie did last week is we made the inner tubs, and Jamie's reinforced that with 2 layers of 600 matting. So that's super strong now. He's done that all from the inside because it's awkward as it was, isn't it? So we did that before the floor goes in, which is what we're going to do next. It would have been really difficult to do the floor and the inner tubs because there is literally no space under here. He's done the rear seats as well. That's all been reinforced, so they're all ready to go for the last layer of woven. So what we're going to do now is basically trim that off, make a template of the floor. Jamie's already made a fiberglass sheet that we're going to use as a base, and then we're going to build off that. So Jamie, you go ahead, cut them bits off, and Hatchie will go and kill someone. And yeah. Right, so that's where, this is access, this is where the 2 panels meet, but the real joint is right there where it's broken. See where it's broken? Yeah. Right there. So that's the bottom of the floor. So that's what we need to get the new piece, which is above that, which is what we want. Yeah. Now, looking at this section here, this one is a lot lower, so it's around this height here. Okay. So I think maybe what we're going to have to do is cut the middle section off, so we can build the mill so we can have that coming up like that. So that will need to go up a bit.
Can we not do one, so obviously cut that up and then have a piece that goes this joint here and straight across, and then we put another piece of that, the fiberglass there and connect it to the piece that's here. So then, it's not going like this, it's just flat.
Yeah, that's what we want to do. But what we need to do is because this shape here is going to determine what the shape is here.
Okay.
It's not far off. So I think what we do, we know that's got to go. We know that's higher. We know that's higher. So if we get a piece of card, get one of the sheets of card, and we'll put it here, and we'll see what it gives us. This is where it starts getting interesting. We've got 2 cars that they're completely different shapes. They've got different wheel wells, they've got different boots. This has actually got a petrol tank inside here, so we've got to make space for the petrol tank. It's all starting to get a bit interesting, eh, Jamie?
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement.
Yeah, I mean this bit doesn't take part of this.
The thing is now, it's going to have to go in from here. It's going to, because we need to figure out how we're going to get it in and out. Jamie made the template and then we fiberglassed it in. So we've got 3 sheets of 600 in there now, which is going to be enough until we get the shell on the rotisserie and off the chassis, turned around, and then we'll reinforce the underneath of it. But that's a ways off. It's still a little while. For the rear end, I think in the next video what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the rear diffuser while we're waiting for the front suspension, because the front suspension is taking some time at the machine shop to get done. They've had staff shortages and what have you, and it's just gotten it's in the queue of things to get done. So it's going to be yeah. So, but we've got loads to do still. We still have to make a boot. We've got to get the petrol tank done and the filler hole all incorporated into the rear. So we've got that to do. We've still got to reinforce the rear of the back seats so we can put the interior trims in. That's to do. So, but I think what we'll do for the next video is we'll get started on the diffuser. We'll get the diffuser on, mounted. It's already made. We've already got it there. We made the diffuser one. We made the front and rear end. So that's all ready to go. But that's going to need trimming to make fit what we've already made, because it is not the same. So that's going to be another thing for us to work out. So yeah, that'll be coming up in the next video, which hopefully won't be too long after this one. Again, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Did I miss anything out?
Like the video.
Yeah, like the video, comment, leave some comments, and yeah. Again, we still don't know what colour it's going to be, so if you've got any suggestions for colours, leave us a comment. We are leaning towards purple. Well, I'm leaning towards purple.
I like purple.
Purple, yeah. So maybe a Nissan Midnight Purple 3. If it is going purple, maybe even the Cadbury's purple. I kind of like that. They're two different purples, two different shades of purple. So yeah. So yeah, subscribe guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.